Good morning everyone and welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the Falcon 64 project. Today's video is going to be on powder coating. It's been a while since I did any powder coating, so I got some front end parts that I'm going to clean up and start powder coat. I'm going to start off with the strut rods. Obviously there's two. And first we got to start wire brushing them, clean them all up, and then we'll throw them in the blaster, blast them down, and then I'll cook them a little bit just to get rid of any of the oils and imperfections that are on it, and then we'll powder coat it. I'll show you my steps. I believe on these I'm just going to go with the chrome. One thing I've done with the chrome before, and I'll show you, these are the front shock mounts, and I hit them with the chrome and then I hit them with the clear. Once you hit them with the clear, it kind of takes some of the shine out of the chrome. So all I'm using is a simple air grinder with a wire brush attached to it. I'm just going to hit them all up pretty good with it, get a good rough cleaning on it. I'm going to put it on time lapse so you can kind of see the process quickly. That way it doesn't take so much time. Alright, so I just taped up the threads. I'm using this high quality tape, picked it up off of Amazon. Anyways, just covered up the threads. Now I'm going to throw it in the blaster here and blast it. My light's very dim in there, so I'll bring you back when I get that completed and show you the finished product on that. Alright everyone, that's them all cleaned up. What I did is I sat there and hit them with a wire brush. You all saw that. And then I came through and I put them in the blast cabinet, and that just seemed to take forever. So anyways, I went and grabbed my handy little grinder, put it's a 60 grit flat disc metal sanding disc on there. Hit them with that, and then I hit them with some 80 grit sandpaper, and now I just hit them with some acetone to get all the debris off of them. Now I'm gonna bake them. I'm gonna hit it up there probably 350 for 30-40 minutes, and after I bring them out I'll let them cool and hit them with the chrome. I'll bring you back when I get them out and get them ready to shoot. Alright my friends, I'm getting ready for to powder coat my strut rods, and I am using polished aluminum. This is from Prismatic Colors. I always write down the temperature, so it needs 375 for 10 minutes, and here's the color. And if y'all are new to this channel, I use the Harbor Freight powder coating gun. So got the hopper right there. And the way I find it easiest to do is just sit here, and I use the half. Let's see if I can get this. I use a half a cup to dish it out. Give me a scoop. Put my hopper down in the bag. Try to keep it all in. And dump it in. Grab me another scoop. Again, pop her back in. And then this. And I think I'm going to do one more just to be on the safe side. Then I come back and dump whatever I don't use back in here. Towel. I am really needing to clean up my shop, boy. It is a mess right now. My little welding table's covered in crap. Everything seems to be just in a wreck right now. I need to clean it up. Anyways, then I just wrap it up, try to keep moisture and everything else out of it. Put my lid back on. Now it's ready to put on the gun. Wipe all this mess off. And she's ready to go. I'll bring you back when the struts get... Well, here, let me show you. I got them out of the oven. So, I got them just sitting in front of the fans, cooled off. I don't got my filters up there. I'm trying to get as much air movement as I can. And I'll get them set up here, get my gun set up, and put the filters in. And once they get cooled off, I'll shoot them off, and I'll show you that process. Alright everyone, I got my filters in, I got my polished aluminum on my Harbor Freight gun, got everything set up ready to go. Got my oven right over here. Typically the most difficult thing for me to do is get from point A to point B once I get it all shot. But we should be doing pretty good right now. Temperature wise, let me grab the gun. $81 degrees on that one. Well, that one still says 102. It's kind of funny how they been sitting out the same amount of time. But anyways, perfectly in the realm of getting it done, shooting with the powder. So here we go. There we go. Get my mask on. Don't want to be breathing any of this garbage in. what happened there is I didn't turn on the unit. I was sitting here going, why the heck isn't it sticking? Boy, it was just blowing past it, and I was like, very minimal was catching on the strut itself. So anyways, then it hit me. We gotta turn it on. So anyways, you can see it's covered there. Again, the color is polished aluminum, and the time on it is 3:75 for 10 minutes. I'll get them in there and fire it up, and I'll bring you back when it's all done. Got them in there. There we go. I got the bottom one at 375 and the top one at 350. And once it gets up to temperature, I will set the timer for 10 minutes. I'll bring you back as soon as they're out of the oven. So I wanted to bring you back real quick, just show you. It just flowed. So this is what you're looking for. You want to see it kind of flowing out. And that's when you start your time. And again, it was 375 for 10 minutes. Gotta put it down. I'll bring you back when they're all done. All right, everyone. I just got them out of the oven, letting them cool off. I'll fire up the fans as soon as I get done with this video. But anyways, I just wanted to show them off to you. They look good up underneath there. They look brand new. I mean, obviously there's some pitting and some stuff like that, but I mean, considering they're 50-something years old. So get them all cleaned up, get the tape off of them, and they'll be ready to go back on the car when I get done with the front end. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. If you enjoy videos like this, please subscribe. I'm trying to build the channel up a little bit. It's always nice to watch it grow a little bit, you know. Anyways, thanks again. If you got any questions, please hit me up. Y'all have a great day. Hey everyone, just a quick little add-on here. I just wanted to show you the strut was just done in the polished aluminum, and then the shock tower, or the shock tower mount was done in the polished aluminum and the clear view, or the clear vision. It's a clear coat, but just wanted to show you the difference between the two. Actually, I believe you could see the shock tower mount looks more gray now with the clear vision on there, where the polished aluminum is more shiny. Anyways, just wanted to show you the difference between the two of them. It seems like once you add a clear on there, it kind of dulls out your polished aluminum. Again, thanks for watching.